Howdy trainers, I am back today with a Prismatic Blister pack. Very sought after, very hard to find. But let's open her up and see if we can pull anything good out of this pack. Okay. First, we have our Pokemon Day Eevee. Alright, let's go ahead and zoom in. Nope, not that far. Jeez. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at that, and we will get this sleeved up, and I will be giving away that to somebody. Don't know who, because I already have one of these, so. Alright, and I have it in the Shining Fates Eevee sleeve. Felt fitting, okay. First card out the way. We also get the beautiful little promo coin. And what everyone's waiting for. 2 packs of Prismatic Evolutions. Right and ready to go. Let's hope that Umbreon is a sign of things to come. Alright, so with these, I'm going to be real official with it. Get some scissors, cut them out very delicately. Alright, can we pull any of the evolutions out of this pack? I already have Terrestrial Eevee, and I already have Terrestrial Glaceon. So let's see if I can pull anything from this pack. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the old card trick. And here we go. Alright, first off, huge. Okay, we got a Pokeball Houndour. Very nice, very nice. We have a Binding Moki, and we have an Espeon. That is still an evolution, so that's still a hit. Alright, nothing major for this pack. Not yet, anyway. I'm hoping for something at least cool. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and as always, happy hunting, trainers.